Hi friends, let me show you this new Panama hat that I bought for the sun. I live in a desert zone here in Southern California and it's really sunny in the summer. So I bought this Panama hat. Let me show you how it comes packed. Really protected with a double coat of plastic protectors, okay? And this is the actual hat. As you can see, it's kind of unisex. It's either for women or men. It has this strap so it won't fall down if it's windy. It has all the information here in the interior, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. I bought it on a large size, and this strap helps you to keep it in place if for any reason there's a wind situation or a windy situation, okay? So I think it's really nice. I like the color a lot. This black band makes it look, well, kind of more formal for my taste. And I like it very much. I will have it in my car and I will be able to use it. It's not only like for casual events. I think I can also use it in my formal activities when I need to be in the sun for a long period of time. I can use this hat, and it's still kind of a more formal wear. It goes even with a suit, and I think it will look great. So if you need a hat for the sun in the place you live, or if for your work you are going to go to a place with a lot of sun, also if you are going to the beach or to a hike in a mountain, this hat is a really nice option. Thank you.